Bachata spinning is actually similar to salsa spinning in terms of the technique you want for the actual spins, such as keeping the legs close together, staying on the balls of your feet, and dropping your shoulders down. The technique is a little bit different when it comes to the type of spins that we do. It's just a little bit different in bachata. So we're going to start with simple inside turns for bachata. So we're going to take a basic first, and we're going to go to the left today to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to turn to our left for an inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we take single spins, you want to really focus on the technique because you don't have to think too much about speed yet. So the first thing we're going to focus on is keeping our feet really close together when we finish the turn. So as you finish your last turn, you want your weight really centered over that left leg so you can bring your right leg in ankle to ankle and tap really clean. And you're also nice and prepared for the following turn. If you take really big steps and your last step, you're kind of off balance, you might maybe be a little bit more towards the right side of your body, then you're going to have to do a lot of work to get that tap in, and you might throw yourself off balance by throwing yourself further to the left. So be really conscious of, even though you are traveling a little bit, of keeping the weight underneath you the whole time. So let's try back to back now. 5, 6, basic first, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside turns we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you start to feel like 1 and 1 is easier for you, and you feel like you're maintaining your technique, staying on the balls of your feet and softening your knees, shoulders dropping down, then start to do back-to-back turns. So you're still going to do 1 and 1, but you're going to do maybe 3 sets of it or 4 sets of it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third time go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one thing you can do to increase stamina is to take an entire bachata song. They're usually just about 3 minutes long, and take that whole song back to back with spins. So you're really working on your strength, your stamina, and all of those little techniques. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to focus on our spotting now. So as you take your rotations, keep looking over towards the front of your room at whatever's at your eye level. So whatever's straight across, where you would just look comfortably, your chin is just nice and balanced on top of your neck and shoulders. That's where you want to look when you spot. So same thing, 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once you start to get comfortable with your single inside turns, then you're going to take it up a notch and do your doubles. For doubles, you want to work on speed. In order to increase your speed, 2 things will help. You want to generate momentum by rotating the upper body and then unrotating or unwinding the opposite direction to give you momentum. And second is your spotting. So if you dictate and tell yourself that you need to rotate that head around a little bit faster, then you will be able to turn a little bit faster. So we're going to take a double to our left. We're going to take a basic first though to prepare. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop on 8. So instead of being perfectly centered straight towards the front of your room on that 8, you're going to slightly rotate to the right with the chest. So you want to make sure it's not the arms. The arms stay in front of the body. You're going to take the entire chest slightly to your right here. Now when you go for your 2 turns, you're going to unwind, take that spot at the same time. Here we go. So we're going to take double turns to our left and just a basic to our right. 5, 6, basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We angle the chest and go. 1 and 2 and 3. Basic 5, 6. Again we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Third time go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So you'll notice same technique applies. So you want to stay on the balls of your feet, but because you're spinning faster now, Try to keep your footwork a little bit smaller, your weight more precise underneath your hips as you take your rotations. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to take the doubles to your right. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, angle left, 5 and 6 and 7, basic, 1, 2, angle left, 5 and 6 and 7, basic, 1, 2, third time go, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, last time, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Most of us have one side that's easier than the other, so I would recommend doing extra on the side that's harder, so you end up starting to balance them out. Now we're going to take a double one way and then a single the other way, and we're going to take that pattern 4 times. 5, 6, basic first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double left, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 turn, 5, 6, 7, again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, third time, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you're breathing through all of that. Nice even breaths. Keep your shoulders down. So sometimes when we know we have to spin a lot, we start to do this and we're tense and preparing ourselves to spin. But the more you stay relaxed, think about dropping the shoulder blades down the back, keeping the core tucked in, soft bend in the knees, staying on the balls of your feet, the easier it will be to spin. An exercise you can do, and you can also check out more exercises you can do to help with your spinning. Overall, check out the video linked above. But for now, one of the exercises you can do is you can keep your feet ankle to ankle, soft bend in the knees about where you would want to be when you're spinning, and then see if you can lift one of your feet and hold. It's quite hard. It's a lot harder than spinning. So if you need to, you can maybe put just your finger on your wall or on a chair so that you really minimize how much balance you give yourself, and then try to take that finger away and see if you can still balance. So that will really strengthen your calves and your small muscles in your feet to help stabilize you as you spin. All right, so our last exercise will be our doubles back and forth. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doubles, go, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and basic step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again we go, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and second time, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and basic step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with music.